Okay, so this is an unboxing of the Fosi Audio TPA 3116. It's a little mini plastic amplifier. Got an instruction manual. Ooh. I actually thought it was gray, but it's black. I actually like that even more. You got an on and off switch, volume control, and the little feet are stuck. I remember having to stick these in another one that I bought. Power supply. It is a, let me see, it's 19 volts, 4.74 amps. So that gives you, I'm going to say 100 watts, almost 100 watts of current, of power. So that's pretty good. This thing is supposed to be rated at 50 watts per channel. So yeah, this is probably adequate for this. Okay, so this amplifier is as simple as it gets. On-off switch, volume knob, some speaker binding posts, which are, you can unscrew and put bare wire in if you want, but I would highly recommend just using banana plugs. They're very easy to make. And just a couple of phono input jacks right there, so that'll give you a good view of that. So I'm going to give this a little run and see what I can do with it, and could be a cute, fun little project. Well, if this is your first time watching my channel, welcome. It's good to have you. It would really help the channel if you liked and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.